These are my old brake pads from Akabono. These are the ProAct AC something or others, I forget. They go on my 2003 Mitsubishi Outlander. Well, right now we're doing a complete brake overhaul. We're replacing the calipers, we're doing putting in new brake fluid, lubing everything up, getting everything nice and ready for some new brakes, which today I've decided to go with the Duralast Elites. These are relatively new in terms of what AutoZone provides, and I thought I would try them out because they have a lifetime warranty. Meaning, if you wear them down, you can just bring them back in and get a new set of pads for free. That sounds pretty good to me, but how do these perform? Lifetime warranty is great, but if they don't work well, then what's the point? We're going to find out today here on Full Bore. So just so we're all on the same page, these are brand new calipers. I just happened to have painted them. The anti-rattle clips down here have been lubricated. The guide pins have been lubricated. The pads are about to be put in. Be careful not to touch that. The rotor is still the one we were using before. The rotor is from Brake Performance, and it's a drilled, slotted, vented rotor, but the rotor itself is in great shape, so we're not concerned about the rotor. Got plenty of meat on there. The squealer's on the back. I'm gonna put the front pad in. Goes in nice and easy. This car is relatively simple to work on in terms of doing pads. There she goes. And then we swing the caliper itself back up and over. And then we attach the caliper to the guide pin. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side, and then we're going to bleed the system with .3 brake fluid, just so we know there's no air in the system, and so we know that the fluid is nice and clean. And this, folks, right here is why we're doing the pad swap and all this work to begin with. These Akabono pads have been great for the time that they worked, but it's time for something new. Alright, both sides are on, so now we just got to bleed the vehicle, which means we're going to start from the rear passenger side, because that's the furthest away from the master brake cylinder. Now, these have drums in the back. Now, the position of your drum shoes affect the firmness of the brake pedal. We have already adjusted the star gear in there that determines how far apart the drum shoes go when they're resting. We did that a few weeks ago, and those are good to go. So we just need to bleed, and then bleed over there, then bleed over there, then bleed over there, and then we can put our wheels on and go for a test drive. Alright, we have got the new pads in, so let's just get our transfer layer going. We're gonna go nice and slow. Ooh. Okay, she bites a lot sooner than before, which makes sense, the new pads. We're just going to take it slow, and we're going to bed in the pads. Now, it didn't say that we needed to bed in the pads, but I'm going to try and do that nevertheless. So we're going to go up to about 30 miles an hour, and we're going to start going, or we're going to slow down slowly. Ooh, that feels good. That feels really good, actually. That is a substantial difference compared to before. Wow. Okay. Actually, we're going to keep going. Miles an hour, slowing down. We're not like slamming the brakes. We just want to get a layer of pad transferred to the rotor. We're going to do this a few times. We're going to see how even the pad go into. We're gonna try without touching the steering wheel, and we stop pretty straight, actually. Slowing down again. Oh God, the bite is immediate. I love that.
The seatbelt engaged on that one.
I'm only doing like 30,
no, that's good.
30 to 40% brake when I'm doing that. Giving more of a powerful brake. We're going to go to 30 miles an hour and we're going to slam the brakes now. 3, 2, 1. That was incredibly good. That was fantastic. My old pads, when they were new, worked pretty good, but that was a substantial difference compared to what we were working with just a few hours ago. That is not bad. That is not bad at all. So, how do the brake pads feel? Phenomenal. They are just as good as my Akabono pads. Only these have a lifetime warranty through AutoZone. So in theory, you could wear the pads out, then take them back, get them replaced for free, and you got pads for life as long as you own your vehicle. That warranty does not transfer if you sell your vehicle, so be aware of that. But as of right now, the bite is immediate. The pads have a lifetime warranty, and they feel great. They really stop good. We gave it a good solid whomping on that brake pedal, and I like it. There's not a whole lot of brake pads that I wholeheartedly recommend, and although it's only still in the beginning phases of us testing these out, the results preliminarily seem to be good. So come back to the comments. Maybe in a year from now, we'll do an update video on these pads and let you all know how things are going. Until then, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more like it, consider subscribing.